See, for production, first what they do is, this is the production module. First they will prepare the bill of material. So second what comes here? From the main menu go to production and write bill of material. Okay. This bill of material is nothing but your recipe. Okay. This is nothing but your recipe. Now, recipe, if you say recipe, so I'll show an example of recipe. This is a recipe. Okay? Well, I'll show multiple, say open multiple windows. I'll show everything. Now, see, if you take the first case, this roasted chicken. This is a recipe for roasted chicken. Means if you want to get a roasted chicken, what are the quantities required? What are the ingredients and what is the quantity required? Okay. Now, what I told the system is, roasted chicken, if I want to make 20 roasted chicken, I need this quantity. Okay. This is one of the. Okay?
Kan yang standar recipe itu kalau kita dia benar macam chicken chicken or fried chicken something. Yes. Then I will for one batch it will be مثلا ingredients one button ground from fish like that. Yes. Once I will change the quantity will be number 5. So you change the quantity here.
Either it will not take the box, it will take your inventory quantity, not the box. Your actual kg, gram, that is your thing, not the box. Where is the document of the physical amount?
يعني quantity here is different. يعني مثلا 20 meals for 20 different.
It is see, instead of 20%, it says 20% is nothing but 20 chicken minimum.
Yes.
20 as chicken. Okay. It's nothing but 20 people.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Now what I have done is, see, if I want to prepare one roasted chicken, prepare a recipe for one roasted chicken, it will be difficult for me.
For one.
Because if I take the quantity, it will be in point where I will show you. See, if I prepare the roasted chicken recipe, I need for one item. I need to prepare like this. See, 0.25, 0.25.
So, sir, see, the quantity is from there.
See, now simple. Now if you say one.
Hello? Yes. Sorry, in the group. ممكن تشرح لنا الكلام بلا نفر راجع بس البرودكشن انا ما ترميش الحاجه اللي عملت ايه؟ خلاص ما فيش مشكله. لا
Now, even roasted chicken, what I tell the system is nothing but if I want to make something. See, if you say to make one pencil, what is the requirement? It will be first, like taking minor things. Say for example, even tea also. If I say 1 cup of tea, how much means 3 capsules, 100 grams of sugar, 100, like that preparing is difficult. But I can say very easily, to prepare 100 tea, I require this quantity. It's easy. We define here only for that. Like for example, I define here for 20, this is the required. System will automatically say for 1 roasted chicken how many you want. Now here I am telling for 20, chicken bone 5, onion 5 kg, garlic 5, tomato paste 7, mustard paste 2, salt 1. This is what is required for 20. So if I go to production and tell the system I want to prepare roasted chicken. Now for 20, the same what we have created. See, 5, 10, 50. Now I can say I want to prepare only 1 chicken. Roasted chicken. The system will give you for 1 roasted chicken this is that. So now here you can say number of persons, say 100%. Fine. So when you are setting creating a recipe, if you feel it is difficult to create a recipe for 1 item, create for 100, 200 like that. And then when you go to production where you are actually preparing, you can make it even you can find for even 0.5 of roasted chicken. If I want to half plate of roasted chicken, this is the requirement. So only thing in the recipe window, we standardize and say, okay, this is what is required for. This is okay. And this recipe, like this, we prepare all the recipes in the all the recipes that we created standard. This can be standard, this can be customized. So, like this, you create multiple recipes. Now, once I prepare the recipe, I go for the menu, like for the wedding menu. If I go for the wedding menu, for me, these recipes are part of the wedding menu. Okay, now you see here, it is having a bill of material. Now, in this chicken biryani is there, and chicken biryani is having another bill of material. And it is possible in chicken biryani itself, maybe for making the baking cup or whatever you say, you may require another cup. This is the main item. Okay, this is your wedding menu. So this is your item 1.
This is of course for example main course or
main course, whatever. Anything. Now this can have a color.
Okay. This is ingredients of this right?
Okay. Say item 3.
Is this something that can be left out?
Okay. I am saying wedding menu, I am telling this item.
Okay.
I am displaying only this item. I say I require this 3.
Okay.
The system will say automatically, once you require 3, we already have a bill of material saying that to prepare this we require this quantity 5. To prepare this we are telling we require this quantity 4. So that means what happens? First I will prepare this. Once this is ready, this is ready. Once this is ready, I can go for this preparation.
Okay.
It is like you want tomato paste for chicken. You want tomato paste for chicken biryani. Now this tomato paste is to be prepared here because we are not using the direct tomato paste. We are mixing something to make our special tomato paste. So what I will do in the chicken biryani dish, I will have a tomato paste 1 item. And below, and this tomato paste will have another bill of material saying that we use sauce plus additional item, and when I use this, I get this item.
Here is also saying that this material production has to be done after functioning in
why? Because see, if you send a gift, why preparing? Tell me what is the consumption. Now you will say, okay, for 100 chicken biryani, I consume 50 kg of chicken, then 100 ice cream is there, fine. Like this you will give a list.
okay.
But what happens is, you will start preparing. But sometimes, by the time it completes the board, there is possibility that instead of 50 kg chicken, you may use only 45 kg chicken. This possibility. You may use more. You may use even 55 kg. But if you don't have production, that is while he is doing the activity, what happens? He can only document 50 kg. But if he is doing this up to the end of the work, for him it is very easy. He can actually say what is consumed.
After functioning, there is no problem.
Before function doing it,
How will you control yourself?
if you do before function, it is good. You will not get the actual cost. Only that is the other is the problem.
Especially for the evidence from the medical is high, okay? So you will get strong, then in the air or minus. But after this, it can be right?
No, in assembly it is not possible. I will tell you the reason why. See,
You can't understand anything.
the main problem is, he may be asking the chicken biryani itself, fine. He is taking the, I show you the process. I say, he is planning that today he is going to prepare, say, chicken biryani. And he say, I am planning it, and doing it today itself, and he plans. Okay. He can plan it, no problem. He can plan before preparation, absolutely fine. Now, if he starts, as soon as he starts issuing the medicine time, doing the chicken biryani, he says, okay, today I am going to prepare 100 chicken, because we have standard bill. Fine. I will start the chicken biryani, system will automatically cut this 10, like this, it will minus. If I update, stroke will go minus. Stroke will reduce immediately. Now, if he uses anything additional, like for example, if you want another item to be added here,
Okay.
once it is issued, then it will be difficult for him. System will not commit that. Once he starts issuing the material for production,
So at the end of the move.
you cannot remove, because once you release the material, stock is out from the, you have removed the item from the stock.
Okay. This is good. And once I make the production order, and everything is removed from the store, okay? Function cancel. Must be or something one by one, something happening, function cancel.
This will go into law, because see, once the production is on, what is happening? If in this plan set we can cancel. Planning we can, in plan set we can cancel it, no problem. I make production order, I can cancel this production order. No problem, I can cancel it. If function is cancelled, okay, that's why I do it. That's why I can do it at the end of the day. You can cancel it. You see, some items which you have taken for the preparation, you cannot retrieve that. But if it's, for example, for the program, you have given him 50 kg of chicken. He only started preparing the masala, then he came to know that it is cancelled. Now what he can do, you can only show that the masala is consumed. You can say it's written off. But the chicken which you gave is not consumed, you can restore it back to the store. But if you run the production before then, what are the store is done? That's why I told.
Here at Nayara, before the next started, maybe at mine. Production will be at noon. The day before, immediately the day before. So this is missing. You need to add increase quantities, you need to add some medicines again. So what happens?
You can have, see, in plant cell you can do anything.
You mean gland production also?
See, actually, I'll show you another flow of activity once, then we'll talk about it. Okay, just assume that they are going to prepare chicken biryani, say for example, 10 plates. Okay, so this is a net so quantity that will be reduced. I say update. So this is not planned quantity. Now once I plan, it is only planning.
Okay.
No, it is like creating sales order.
Okay,
No, it's not action. It's only order. It's a commitment.
okay.
I am saying, okay, I am committed to make business biryani. Fine. Actually, when I start process, first thing, from plan A, release the item for production. After the release, actually, once I release something, I can complete the production. If I don't release the actually, why I am saying release? This is a portion of number 2. Okay. See, once production is initiated, the next step is receipt from production. Now, if I want to receive the finished product, that is the biryani chicken ready, I need to use the production order. But when I click production order, I don't have any production order because I only planned. I didn't release it. So it is not initiated. To initiate the production, what I do, I go to my production order and I change from plan to release and update. That means I am actually going to prepare. It is as if you are issuing the materials of production. Simple. You are issued the materials of production. You can see the stove automatically releasing it. Okay. Now once this is issued, now if I go for receipt from production, production order, now you can see it. So once you plan, you will to confirm that you are going to initiate the process, you release that.
Everything will be inventory will take a lot of something that we have to plan with things
in inventory, once you get release, in system release the plan. Even planned also. Once planned, system automatically says commitment has increased. That means I can show you. This is our item. Okay. Now if you see the scope of this item, you go to inventory. See, this one commitment is nothing but a production order and not the sales order. Means it gives an information that there is a requirement, there is some sales, there is some production. So this requirement is from production. Then they are going to consume this quantity and system has automatically supplied the quantity. You see it. Yes. Citation on that, it goes minus 1, so you are only this. So if somebody has over,
the commitment will go to store. The commitment will go to store.
So when we related that there is a commitment, something is going to happen there, and the store available will go to the research. For same production order, this is the same production order. I only release the material. I am saying I am preparing 100. So I do 100. Okay? Update. Release the material 100. Now take the stock status of this item. See, commitment increase 50. That means 20 quantity of this item will be reduced because there is a commitment for production.
From this one we can make use then there's something regarding the sales and derivation on them. From this idea, we can make it profile of material. For example, I have function, okay, for 100 okay. Even if okay. For me, we have to add Hello? So how to get? لا يلا ولا مش عارف انا متحمس برضه So promise we don't have to add any later. Okay. Just مثلا for see مثلا with a form مثلا setup or something. Then for this one we can make bill of material, right?
We can have manpower here. Like for example, in bill of material, I can have here. It is not an inventory. Not an inventory. But when I say waiter, that means a waiter to cost. Now I say what is the cost of 1 waiter per day?
For example, 60 days.
So see, now I use one waiter. Okay. I am telling in number of waiters I require. I am saying I require 14 waiters. I require 14.
You just put on waiter the price by minus.
This I am telling I want 14 waiters. So this is the additional labor that is just adding to the system. Or else, if I say here, I am showing this up. Copy. Now, there are two types of labor that is present. One is cook labor. That is also there. This is again the additional service charge. This is the second one. See, I can have waiter, or you can say this as a what do you say, the cook charge. I said the cook charge is 45. To prepare 10 chicken, how many cook require? I require 1 cook. Okay, fine. The system is for 200, or if I say I am preparing 20, this one. For preparing 20, you require one full rate charge of a waiter. So if I make only 20, I require only 0.1% of the cook requirement, the labor cost. Accordingly to the cost will vary. This is the rate. This rate is very important. This is one way of putting the value, like saying to the preparation putting the labor cost. Like the thing you told as a waiter and all, we can handle it other way. We can create rather than genuine production, because we are not in production. We can do it like this. Now when I am creating the same product, I am preparing the same for this customer. The customer says we want, we are giving wedding menu. Okay, and this wedding menu is nothing but it consists of homemade chicken biryani, ice cream, chicken tikka. These are the things, chicken piccata. These are the things in this one. Now here I can create an item as
minimum what? What was the item?
correct. It is a label. You can create a new item and item group on it actually. Item group with service.
One solution is
I have created an item as service class, and when you create an item as service class, you select the item type as labor. Once you say it is labor, it becomes automatically it's only a sales item. The service cannot be a stock item. Okay, so automatically no inventory item, no purchase. It is only for sales service. We are selling the service, our service. Okay, and then in inventory, when you say service, always we need to say that the valuation method for this will be standard and we will have a cost for that. For example, say 50 as you told. This is for valuation. When we evaluate the inventory. But for this one they won't be known. But we just say a standard price. If there is no stock, there will be a standard price. And then in this I can say what is my labor cost. I am saying labor cost is how much do we charge? 300. Okay. Fine. So waiting menu, cost of waiting menu is 250. Total entire thing cost is 250, and number of minutes, for example, 5. Done. Service charge. Now we are telling how many labor. I say 14 labors. 14 into 100, 1,200 real is your labor charge. There can be different type of labor. This labor I have this as waiter, waiter charge, and the same item I second time say as
I think the section can be changed.
in document I can change it here. It doesn't change the master. Doesn't it will be the same. That's right. I have to same item. You can see both the number are same. One is a waiter charge, second is a manager. Because waiter charge is 14, I will have one manager, and one manager is costing me 200 real.
Can I do it through bill provision or just
Don't do the bill of material, you use it here. Because this is something happening after during the sales billing and then number of labor charge. You can use the labor charge of the cook in bill of material. Means, if the cook is using the number of persons, the cook uses the labor charge for the preparation can be used. But this is coming after the preparation over that actually this labor is coming. So this should be added in the pay.
No, this one can be fixed then.
And then cook doesn't know how many people are used there.
Yeah.
Don't know only anything. So let us only do his work, we will do our work here. Then the second is.
This one I can print report sending by mail to me.
Yes. You want to what you want to know?
And this one, just for kind of a material manager or something, that's a plain that we need some labor as 5 days.
So this you understand send to whom? Okay. From here, same mail. If he is asking do you want to attach this, yes, I think attach. Now, here select with ID of the blanket manager. For example, if it is say Q02 is the blanket manager. You should give this. If he is a customer, then add recipient, there is an option contact person. Okay. Now open this, then say mail. Do you want to attach? Yes, I will attach. Then in recipient, instead of user, go to contact person. Okay?
But this one, contact person, the customer. It's some here of mail, but is not used that.
Not. What you can do then is this particular sales order, you can say PDF. This one you can save it or save it your. No, we'll change it. This is a default one line. We'll change the thing. Like for example, say this is order number, document name, page number, the company address, who is the customer details, who is the sales employee, what is the delivery address, then wedding menu, this is the cost.
This is probably this information for name and description here.
Here we can add it. Here we can change, but there we can change it. Why the print is something like this? Print keep that. It will display actually what is written there will be printed. I'll keep that.
I can mention here. I need the description because I can use nothing for them. If I didn't get working manager or
even the getting menu.
No, nothing. Just convert to the sales order, please. Yeah. You see here, this code, waiter charge, manager charge, and it is like administration, network code application.
Oh, we can make it. What we do is in the layout.
Okay.
I'll show you. When I'm editing, I will remove this. I'll remove this code and all, whatever is there. This is the disable in the system. This one is removed. I can remove it. Quickly remove it. I'll remove it. This is the configuration of the server. Like your invoice, you can see it done like this. This is the sample in the system. We didn't create that one. That will be possible. So you already have done this thing. See, finally it may say you may have something like this. Because core and all system default it gives. If you want to keep it, just remove it. Once again, if you want to just remove it.
Okay. Here we mentioned data, okay? But it's not a stock item. It's just a skill item, right? But something need limit, yeah, for example, I have just only here at my مثلا 50 users, okay? Once I reach this number of users, system will not add anything.
Not so.
Not have to be stock.
No. Then you have to make it stop. If you set it stop, then stop value will come. Then problem is, when you are doing a stop in this evaluation, yes, but it will show as a stop. Means this was as a label as a
buy and sell, buy and sell.
It is a read, stop, it is stop, consume, stop. See, when you are preparing the event management there, then we can say total number of wages is dispatched and number of wages being used. That we can say. Then we can have a master.
This picture only is reservation manual.
This picture we can put it in resolution, not in SAP. In resolution picture we can put it because there we will create a separate master where we say okay number of wages total we have 100. And whoever is using the vehicle, it will be reduced. I am using presently 10 vehicles and other. No, that is so. That we can manage in unit. That definitely should be there. That will be there, your sofa and all. It is like sofa material like it is the resource. There we can manage. If you do it here, this is the how it is done. Like if you say you want the numbers or something. Because you are taking it as service. And if you take it as an item, finance will cover site with you. They said it's not possible.
Hello? لا هو مستحيل ليه؟ بعدين لأنه مرة تأكيد على الاشتراك اوكي؟ محمود أنا شفت سرينا كان في اتندنس اوردر واتندنس شيت وفيها ميل تجيب عنك الموضوع طيب اوكي حاجة تانية مين طبعا حمزات الطيران دلوقتي؟ عشان تشوف الأسعار الذكر حاليا في الطيارة اللي هي الطبيعية وبناء عليها بس هو بيقرر لأنه ما راح تتحول ثلاث سيارات أسعار بس 14 15 دولار ساعة مش عارف. أربعتاشر 15 سبعة جهات أو 15 سبعة جهات جهات. أوكي العودة 30 هو 8. أكيد بس كومبلكس يا محمود، يعني لو هو عايز يرجع في أي وقت يرجع، هو العلم الكاملة عشان يرجع في أي وقت يرجع. أوكي لا أنا مش ليها، هو عايز يرجع مثلا في نفس اليوم بفضل واحد، فعايز يرجع في نفس اليوم أو ثاني يوم أو كده. طيب ما هو ده اللي هو عايز مجرد التحكم. خلاص هيكون 2 بنادرين لبنان، رياض لبنان. اوكي 2 بنادرين و3 اخطار. 3 اخطار. اوكي اليوم الجوازات بتشوف عشان تمام خروج العوده. بالنسبه لخروج العوده طبعا الاولاد والزوج هيكون مره واحده. بالنسبه للمستقبلات تعملوها متعدد، هو عند خروج العوده هتبدلوها لانها هتنتهي اللي معانا بتاعتي بس هتنتهي في وسط الرحله.